DG. Coming up is my pick and gut of this. It's a challenge lock made by, it's the first challenge lock made by one of the guys in the Facebook group that I'm in. I shall just refer to him as DG because I don't know if he wants his name all over YouTube or not. Believe the name of the lock is hashtag ? As I say, it's by DG. And yeah, it's his first go at his challenge lock, and it's really quite tricky. Just done a pick and gut on it, so some interesting work on the pins. Yeah, quite a tricky little pick. So anyway, DG, thanks for the go at picking it, and I shall pass it on to somebody else in the Facebook group or one of the other YouTube guys. So hopefully you'll see it picked again. Thanks a lot for the chance. Okay, let's see how we get on. Look at that betting, so really high in the back and really low in the front. I shall be interested to see when I open this up. Actually, let's try a different tension wrench. Let's try that one. Whether these front pins need picking or not. If they do need picking, I think they only, I maybe even be doing it just by accident with the shaft of the pick. Okay, there we go. Right down at the back has got that open. So, sorry about that, not a lot of talking, fair bit of concentration. I'm going to be really interested to have a look inside this now. Let's just adjust this and take some of that zoom off, put some focus on. Okay, so there we go, picked, and we can lock that up because we got the key. Try and get some focus. So one is spooled or serrated in some way, as is 3, as is 5. Okay, so I'll take this shim out. So let's give you a zoom on those pins. So there you go. I'm going to, as I say, refer to him just as DG. I don't know if he wants his name all over YouTube, but that's his first challenge lock. We haven't actually had a look in the core. Now, I thought there was something been done in that. No, nothing been done to the core. So there you go. There's those pins. That is hashtag question mark picked. Thanks a lot.